Is there anything more devastating to a relationship than an affair? Even if we personally haven't experienced the misfortune of a loved one's unfaithfulness, we likely know someone who has. I recall speaking with someone whose spouse had cheated on him. The utter betrayal, erosion of trust, anger, sadness, and the crisis of faith that emerged were absolutely devastating to witness. In a moment, promises made and expressions of commitment once spoken felt like a violent kick to the gut. Did you know that God knows exactly how that feels? In the book of Jeremiah, God revealed that in his relationship with Israel, he experienced the betrayal like a husband whose wife had cheated. God recalled the early days of the relationship in Jeremiah 2:2. I remember the devotion of your youth, how as a bride you loved me and followed me through the wilderness. At Mount Sinai, God had proposed to be their God, and the people said yes enthusiastically. He led them to the promised land and protected them from harm, but the people ultimately became unfaithful. Why? The anatomy of an affair is often quite simple. One person takes for granted what they once were grateful for. Complaints replace compliments, and what's missing becomes more emphasized than what's present. The eye begins to wander and search for another source of satisfaction. We see this in Israel's journeys as the people took for granted God's supernatural presence, complained, and then became attracted to foreign gods around them. Though God had brought them into a fertile land, they began to cheat on God. And so Jeremiah calls this out as a reason that they were experiencing separation from God. Amazingly, God remains faithful to us even when we're faithless. He waits to welcome us with open arms even after we've put other things before him. What might be competing with your affection for God? What can you thank God for that you've been taking for granted? God invites us to renew our vows to him today.